You need a way to access the total number of items in the cart. The best way to do this is to add another method to your shopping cart class, rather than accessing the items array directly. Add a getCounts method to the shopping cart class, and it should return the number of items in the items array. So let's check our shopping cart. There it is. So we are inside of our shopping cart. And the question to be answered is, how are we able to make a method? So if getCounts is the name of the method, we write the name of the method, of course, um, getCounts, and then a parenthesis and a curly braces. So that is how we define our method. And inside our method is where we input or write the functionalities of the getCounts, which is our method. So it says it should return the number of items. So we first have to write the return and then items array, items. And to get the number of items inside the array is with the use of the length. So it accesses the items array and then counts its length, or the elements inside the array. But in our case, it is the items, the number of items of the items array. It's kind of crazy. So, but we, but this would be wrong, because it says remember to use this keyword to access the items array. So we have forgotten that the items array is inside the constructor. So if we make a class, it should have a constructor, and with the use of this keyword, so that if an object is instantiated, it will inherit this attributes of the class. And since it's inside the cart, wait, is it? One, two, three. Yes, it is. So since it's inside the cart class, I mean the shopping cart class, we have to use the this keyword, so that we are referring to the items which is declared to the constructor. So that's it. Nice.